Okay, today I'm going to show you how to coax your very own sourdough starter into life, and this is perfect to use in my mess-free sourdough bread recipe. So firstly, take yourself a jar that has a lid that can be loosely closed. Then add 100 grams of good quality, and that's important, strong white bread flour, followed by 100 milliliters of lukewarm water. Then thoroughly mix the two together. Once you've done this, loosely close the lid, but make sure you don't close it fully because you don't want your starter to go pop. Now leave your starter in the warmest part of your kitchen for 24 hours. Then after that time, remove and dispose of half of the starter in the jar. And now we need to repeat the process of what we did yesterday. So add another 100 grams of good quality strong white bread flour and 100 milliliters of lukewarm water. Then thoroughly stir again and leave in a cool place in your kitchen for another 24 hours, with the lid loosely shut. So what you need to do is you need to repeat this process of disposing of half and topping up with lukewarm water and flour for about 5 to 7 days until you notice your starter becoming nice and active and bubbling away nicely. And when it's doing this and it starts giving off a sour smell, you know it's ready to use. Okay, remember you can use this starter in my mess-free and UPF-free sourdough bread. Tap the link on screen for that, and remember to subscribe for loads more recipes.